Good evening, everyone. So, this is Namita Shukla again. Last time we were talking about, our emotions and the internal communication that we have. So today we are going to discuss a little bit more about how our brain functions. What do we think, or how do we think? And if we have to understand, our brain has different folders of different emotions. So if we talk about, like, we will have an emotion of vengeance, we will have an emotion of happiness, we will have an emotion of guilt, an emotion of loneliness. So we have different folders which are already there. So what do we do is we activate any of these folders, right? As soon as we start thinking about that, anything related to that emotion, that folder opens up and a file opens up there, as it happens in our computer. So if we have to think about it or understand it better, we can think, suppose if I ask you that what was the last event that you attended, for maybe a wedding or a function where you had gone. What were you wearing? What was your partner wearing? Or what were the bride and groom wearing? Do you remember? Were you enjoying the food? What was your favorite food that you enjoyed most? Or were you not enjoying the food? How was your mood? So now, when we start thinking about it, we are into that emotion, right? Whatever we were experiencing at that moment, we start reliving it. Similarly, now if I ask you, if you have to think about someone that you used to love a lot, and maybe he or she is not the part of your life anymore, how that person used to give you unconditional love, that person used to be around you, how much you wanted him to be here with you today, as and when we talk. If I can imagine, I can bring the image of that person in front of us. You know, we really want that person to be there with us. And honestly, he or she is with us in our thoughts, in our emotions, with us. Whatever he used to believe in, his beliefs, they all are there. So, the folders we open up, and we start increasing the files or we start decreasing the files. So today we are going to talk about one such folder, which is forgiveness. So what is actually forgiveness? If we have to talk about, how do we forgive? Why should we forgive? Right? Why should we forgive anyone? So for that, the basic understanding starts right away with you. What do you think? How do you think about the other person? So it is about the hurt which has been created, you think, because of the other person, or any wrong which has been done by that person, in your opinion, in your thoughts, where he was wrong, he was not supposed to do it, and he's done something. So he's created some hurt inside you, right? So you're feeling betrayed, maybe. So when we are having those thoughts, what we are doing is, we are knowingly or unknowingly, we are making knots. We are making knots inside our minds. हम सोच रहे हैं, एक के बाद एक गांठें बांधते जा रहे हैं, रखते जा रहे हैं अपने साथ में, और फिर हम कहते हैं कि हमारे सिर में दर्द हो रहा है, माई हेड इज़ वेरी हैवी, मुझे बहुत भारी लग रहा है. क्योंकि आज से 10 साल पहले मेरे अंकल ने मुझे क्या बोला था, या मेरे फ्रेंड ने मेरे साथ में क्या किया था. तो या तो मैं डिसाइड करूं कि आज मुझे कुछ एक्शन लेना है उसके लिए. इफ़ आई कैन टेक एन एक्शन, आई मस्ट टेक दैट एक्शन राइट नाउ. But if for A, B, C or X, Y, Z reasons that I decide, maybe it's very old, maybe this thought is not worth it, right? It is not worth it. Maybe he did that. Now that person is old. I don't feel like, talking about it. So, for any, or maybe it's not worth it to take a police action, to take any other action against that person. So if I don't really want to take any action against that person, then what am I supposed to do? Is it right to hold on, to increase that space, the bytes in your computer, in your brain, in your mini computer, to hold on to those files? Are they required? This is what we are supposed to understand. क्या वो ज़रूरी है? क्या उस गांठ को आज तक पकड़ के रखना ज़रूरी है? वो जगह ले रहा है. मे बी वो जगह जो हम कंपैशन से फिल कर सकते हैं, जो हम लव से फिल कर सकते हैं, जो हम हैप्पीनेस से फिल कर सकते हैं, जो हम और किसी भी दूसरे इमोशन से फिल कर सकते हैं. क्या ये रियली वर्थ इट है उस बात को आज तक पकड़ के रखना, आज तक उसको रीलिव करना, आज तक उसके बारे में सोचना, मैं ये भूलूंगा नहीं. एंड वी से इट सो प्राउडली. आई मीन रियली वी आर सपोज टू बी सो प्राउड अबाउट द फैक्ट कि तुमने मेरे साथ किया है ना, मैं भूलूंगा नहीं, देख लेना. So revengeful. So what we are doing, we are again increasing that file in the revenge folder. If we are being vindictive, we are increasing that file. And the worst part here is, whenever I want to give any negativity to any person, if I'm thinking about that person, if I'm talking about that person, anything negative, first I have to go through that emotion. Then only I give it to other person. अगर हम गाली भी दे रहे हैं किसी को तो पहले हम बोल रहे हैं, वो हम उसे एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं, तब सामने वाला सुन रहा है और उसके पास, उसके कानों में वो आवाज़ जा रही है. तो क्या आई मीन it is something food for thought, right? You can ponder about it, that is it really important that we have to hold on to it, we have to think about it. और अगर आई मीन इमेजिन करो, अगर हम ये डिसाइड करें कि ये जितनी भी नोट्स हैं, आई एम श्योर it will be a big folder. I had a real big one which I ticked off one by one. And if I will keep deleting those files, what will happen? The space will become empty and I start feeling lighter. And when I start feeling lighter, जब हल्का महसूस होता है तो अच्छा महसूस होता है. मे बी उस खाली जगह को आई कैन फिल इट विद एनी अदर इमोशन, विद एनी अदर हॉबी, विद एनी अदर कंपैशन. तो कंपैशन के साथ में ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा या उस विंडिक्टिवनेस को होल्ड करने में, या उस नेगेटिव एनर्जी को होल्ड करने में हमें ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा? ये हमें डिसाइड करना है. दिस हैज़ टू बी आवर डिसीजन. बट एज सून एज आई स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट स्टेप. I have already taken a little baby step towards that awareness, that yes. So the first thing which I'm supposed to do is I am supposed to accept it, that yes, I am holding on. I am holding on a grudge against this person. I'm sure there is a valid reason. I am not saying that that person is right or that person is just. Although we have a lot more here to talk about on the perspective, but let's say for a moment, for us, on a white slate, that you are right here. From any angle, from any perspective, that person is wrong and whatever he did to you was wrong. But are you ready to go through that pain? Is it worth it? This is a question I want you to reflect upon. And if your mind says, or inside, in your heart of heart inside, it says that no, it's not worth it, it's not that valuable to hold on, right? Any which ways, whatever we have, I mean, we have not really brought anything with us, and we are not really going to take anything with us when we are going to leave this world. When we have come in this world, we have come alone. When we are going to leave this world, we are going to be alone. This fight is our own. The sooner we realize it, the better it is. So, अगर हम ये चूज़ कर लें या हम ये सोच लें कि चलो इस मोमेंट पे, चलो मैं डिसाइड करता हूँ कि कुछ लोगों को, वो जो भी लिस्ट है हमारी, ठीक है, उस फोल्डर में विद नेम्स ऑफ द फाइल्स, विद नेम्स ऑफ द पीपल जो हमने बना के रखी है, जो हमने नोट्स होल्ड करके रखी हैं, इतने सालों से पकड़ के रखी हैं, तो हम डिसाइड करते हैं चलो हम एक एक करके टिक करके उसको ओपन करने को ट्राई करते हैं. So when we are doing it, you have to understand it is not for the other person. First thing, you are doing it for yourself. It is you who's going to be benefited with this small act. I mean, what are the symptoms of when you don't forgive anyone, right? What are the symptoms that you hold on? So, the symptoms can be hypertension, symptoms can be suppressed anger. I mean, for years, we are not talking about days, months, we are talking about years, we are talking about our childhood, that in our childhood this person said XYZ thing to my mom, to my dad, to me, or he did something like this maybe which is not right. Now coming back to the same scenario, can anything be done about it right now? If it can, please go ahead, take an action. At least again, you are taking an action. But if you are deciding no, the action cannot be taken, maybe it is too old a thought, then you have to learn to let go, because this is lowering your self-esteem. And to be precise, the more hatred or negativity if you are holding within yourself about the other person, what you are doing is you are giving that other person more power. He is becoming more powerful than you, because you are somewhere inferior than him. So that negative energy, holding on to a negative energy or a grudge within yourself, I don't think so it's a great or that intelligent idea that you are thinking about it there. And if I'm holding on to the negativity, if I'm holding on to those meaningless thoughts, I would call them meaningless, because we are not taking any action about it, right? We want to keep it as dormant, but we still want to keep it. It is something like मेरे चोट लग गई है, ठीक है? We were talking about emotional hygiene, coming back to the same. मेरे चोट लग गई है, बहुत साल पहले चोट लग गई थी, ठीक है? बट मैं तैयार नहीं हूँ जी इस पे मैं बैंडेड लगा लूँ. मैं तो इसको ऐसे ही रखना चाहता हूँ. I want after few days I will again think about it, I will again prick it back, and I will again let the blood ooze out. And researchers have shown, science has shown again and again, the pain which is created by this emotional stress or emotional pain is equivalent or maybe more to when you go through a surgery or when you go through other pains. That time to you still have those injections, which can make you numb for a while. But here you don't have any such thing. You are living that pain. You are living that pain inside you. So why doing that? Why doing something like this? Why surrendering yourself to a negative emotion? It's easy to say. I understand. It's easy to say, but when you have to do it, it is really difficult. And saying it is easy, doing it is difficult, but taking a small baby step is not that difficult. Experiencing it, चलो आज एक की फाइल डिलीट करने की ट्राई करता हूँ जिसका कम है वेटेज, ओके? बिकॉज इन माई इक्वेशन और इन माई इमोशनल अकाउंट, banking account, where I'm positive, getting any positive energy or giving away negative energy, so in that account it is like quite heavy, so I'm not going to let go. Okay, let go of a smaller one which you think can be done, which is a negative energy, and when you do that let go, write it down on a paper how you are feeling. If you are feeling good about it, try to do the other one, and then try to do the other one. So many holy books, whether we talk about Bible or we talk about Gita, everywhere they talk about this good deed which is forgiveness. And forgiveness, first I said, how we started was, it is for you. You are supreme, okay? You can only change, the other person cannot change. But it is also about understanding where this other person came from. Maybe he had not chosen it. His experiences or her past experiences made him what he was. I mean, all kids are the same, all babies are the same when they are born, they have same pure emotions inside them. लेकिन टाइम के साथ, एक्सपीरियंसेस के साथ, सर्कमस्टांसेस के साथ हम शायद कड़वे हो जाते हैं. यू नो, वी गेट दैट बिटरनेस इनसाइड अस. वी स्टार्ट thinking that maybe this is the right way of thinking. I'm not saying this is right or wrong, it is completely your choice. I am no one who is going to decide that you are supposed to forgive someone, but I'm just saying, try to let go. And how do we let go is a, million dollar question again. How do we do this? So how to do this is, first you have to accept it. I am feeling hurt, or I felt hurt so many years back. Write it down. Step 1, I did experience it. Step 2, uncover your anger, which we have suppressed it, like we have hidden it for so long, and which might just explode in one or the other disease. You never know. I mean, we go to the doctor and we say that I'm not feeling good, this is not good, this medicine is not working, and the doctor say that these are lifestyle diseases, be it hypertension, be it diabetes, be it any other disease. These are lifestyle diseases, they term it as lifestyle. And in our lifestyle, holding on to grudges is very common. So it is very easy, maybe it is a way of life which we are thinking. So you have to release yourself from this emotional pain. At least you can try it. At least you can try doing or releasing yourself, from this pain. You can let go of it. We should never sleep angry. We should never do that. We should try, when we are going to sleep, we are peaceful. And how we can be peaceful? So how we can be peaceful is coming back. Step 1, accepting this, I'm going through this. B, understanding that okay, this has been done to me, but I am not taking any action. So for my own peace, for my own happiness, for my own self-esteem, I decide to forgive this person. This is my decision to let go. So how do you do that? You are going to imagine that person straight away in front of you. Imagine he or she is sitting in front of you if you don't feel like calling that person. The good idea is to call that person face to face and tell him or her that this is what you did to me and I decide to forgive you. You will be surprised what you get back when you do that. But if you don't want to do this, you say, I don't want to, it's over for me. It's over superficially for you, but inside you, you're holding on to it. So it's not over. I won't call it over. So you're supposed to bring that person in front of you, sit on a chair, thinking that he's straight in front of you, and tell him or her that this is what you did to me. I mean, you're just talking within your mind, and you decide to forgive that person. It may be his circumstances, his doings, his upbringing, his education. It was not your fault, right? So giving him or giving yourself that benefit, it doesn't make you smaller. If you will forgive someone, you will not become smaller. You will become big. On the other hand, what will be the benefits if I have to look at? Because these days in this corporate world, we are always looking at what is in our package, okay? What are we getting here? So what we are getting here is, we are getting reduced anger because we have not deleted all the files. For that, I need to learn more. I am free of that hurt. I am free of that pain, that itch. I won't go through depression or those kind of negative emotions. I will have more hope on the other hand. I will be physically more fit. I will be positive towards life. I will look up to life. I will feel good. I have replaced it. So if you look at it, I have replaced in that accounting section or in those folders, I have deleted that file and I got more space, and I have decided to fill it more with more positivity. And I don't really have to, prove it to you that positivity, how important it is in our life. So work on your forgiveness. Learn to let go. थोड़ा मुश्किल है, आसान नहीं है. कहना आसान है, मेरे लिए यहाँ पर खड़े होकर के बोलना बहुत आसान है कि forgive कर दो जी. But no, I have practiced it. I'm not just saying for the heck of it. I have practiced it. Trust me. I had those names in front of me. I ticked them off, and it was not easy. Because we've been brought up with some values. At times, knowingly or unknowingly, vengeance is one of them. We feel that we will be more relieved if I'm going to take that, vengeance against that person. But how heavy it is, and it is really worth it. Is it really worth it? And what will you achieve out of it? Try doing it, try taking it. Are you really feeling better that way? Or you are feeling better this way? Experience it. If you think that you feel better that way and that is the right way of life, you can continue doing that. But those of you who feel let go makes them more easier, more lighter, forgiveness makes them a bigger person, a better person, a better way of life, you must start practicing it. Maybe you can do that, I decide, one day for forgiveness. Today anyone does anything, start from those small steps, okay? If suppose my driver is late or something, anything as stupid as anything small, correct? अगर मैंने डिसाइड किया आज कोई कुछ भी करेगा तो मैं फॉरगिव करती जाऊंगी, फिर आप देखो आपको कैसा लग रहा है. अच्छा लग रहा है तो इसको कंटिन्यू करो, प्रैक्टिस करो. नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है तो कोई बात नहीं, आप जहाँ थे वहीं पर है. यू आर नॉट लूजिंग आउट ऑन एनीथिंग. So thank you guys, thank you so much for listening to me patiently. I would like you to subscribe my video and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.